Are you curious about unlocking more channels on your Roku TV? Let's explore how you can quickly set up IPTV on Roku today. First, let's talk about a game changer in IPTV service. Introducing 2TV, the best IPTV provider. They offer an incredible variety of channels. Contact their top-notch customer support by reaching out to Nancy. Link is in the description below. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to adding IPTV to your Roku TV. Make sure your Roku and home Wi-Fi are connected and follow these simple instructions. Start by navigating to the Roku channel store. You will search for and select an IPTV player that suits your needs. This step is crucial for accessing IPTV. Once you've selected your IPTV player, you'll want to retrieve your IPTV login details from 2TV. Enter these details to gain immediate access to a vast array of channels. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy a world of TV entertainment on your Roku with ease. Make the most out of your viewing experience with running IPTV smoothly